How to use Chatgpt. It's made by OpenAI, well known for having developed the text-to-image generator DALL-E, and it's currently available for anyone to try out for free. Here's what Chatgpt is, how to use it, and how it could change the future of the internet. Is Chatgpt free to use? Yes, the basic version of Chatgpt is completely free to use. It's not free for OpenAI to continue running it, of course. Estimates are currently that OpenAI spends around $3 million per month to continue running Chatgpt, which is around $100,000 per day. Beyond the cost of the servers themselves, some egregious information has recently come out about what else has been done to train the language model against producing offensive content. OpenAI has also recently announced a new paid, premium version of its chatbot called ChatGPT Plus. It's not available just yet, but you can currently only join the waitlist, and the eventual price will be $20 per month. ChatGPT Plus will provide access even during peak times, faster responses, and first access to new features. ChatGPT at capacity network error. Many people attempting to use ChatGPT recently have been getting an at capacity notice when trying to access the site. It's likely behind the move to try and use unofficial paid apps, which have already flooded app stores and scammed thousands into paying for a free service. Because of how much ChatGPT costs to run, it seems as if OpenAI has been limiting access when its servers are at capacity. It can take as long as a few hours to wait out, but if you're patient, you'll get through eventually. Of all the problems facing ChatGPT right now, this is the biggest hurdle keeping people from using it more. Do you need to download ChatGPT? ChatGPT is available via a web page, so no downloading is needed. OpenAI has yet to release an official app, despite the fact that app stores are full of fake versions. These should be installed and used with caution, as they are not official ChatGPT apps. There are a couple of ways to install ChatGPT though. First, you can navigate to the ChatGPT website and save it as a Windows app through Edge. Go to the site, click the ellipsis menu, and hover over Apps. Select Install this site as an app to load ChatGPT from your desktop. You can also download the source code for ChatGPT from GitHub, but note this requires a bit of technical knowledge to get the app to work. For instance, there's a GPT-powered Discord bot available to install on your Discord server. How to use ChatGPT? The ChatGPT webpage is simple and includes an area for the results to populate and a text box at the bottom of the page for users to type inquiries. We started with questions, however. OpenAI recommends inputting a statement for the best possible result. For example, inputting "explain how the solar system was made" will give a more detailed result with more paragraphs than "how was the solar system made," even though both inquiries will give fairly detailed results. You also have the option for more specific inputting requests for an essay with a specific number of paragraphs or a Wikipedia page. We got an extremely detailed result with a request: write a 4-paragraph essay explaining Mary Shelley's Frankenstein. If there isn't enough information available, the generator will fulfill the commands with accurate details. Otherwise, there is potential for ChatGPT to begin filling in gaps with incorrect data. OpenAI notes that these instances are rare. The brand also notes that ChatGPT also currently has limited knowledge of world events after 2021. Even so, you have the option to input queries continuously until you close your browser or reset the thread to clear your previous requests. You also have the option to use ChatGPT in dark mode or light mode. You can access the OpenAI Discord server and blog from this webpage and log out from there. How to register an OpenAI account? Using the ChatGPT chatbot is fairly simple, as all you have to do is type in your text and receive the information. However, OpenAI does require an account before you can use any of its tools, so if you don't have one, you will have to register. You have the option of choosing an easy login with a Google or Microsoft account. Otherwise, if you have any other kind of email, you can enter it manually. After this, you must enter a phone number. However, keep in mind that you cannot use a virtual phone number, VoIP, to register for OpenAI. You will then receive a confirmation number which you will enter on the registration page to complete the setup. Once you see some housekeeping rules about Chatgpt, including potential errors in data, how OpenAI collects data, and how users can submit feedback, you know you have successfully registered. Chatgpt prompts. What can you ask Chatgpt? Well, that's the fun part. Since its launch, people have been experimenting to discover everything the chatbot can and can't do, and some of the results have been mind-blowing. Learning the kinds of prompts and follow-up prompts that Chatgpt responds well to requires some experimentation though. Much like we've learned to get the information we want from traditional search engines, it can take some time to get the best results from Chatgpt. Heck, there are already online courses being published and sold on the matter. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.